Hello children. Today we are going to learn how to write letter N. The sound for the letter N is N. We begin with the dotted lines. Start from the top. From the red line, go down, down, down. Stop at the blue line. Go up again. Go slanting line down. Stop at the blue line again. And then go up, touch the red line. Now let's do it with a single dot. Start point. We go down. Again on the red line. Slanting line down. And you go up. Let's try it one more time. Standing line down. Slanting line down. Standing line up. I hope you have understood how to write letter N. Happy learning!